want to show you guys how to clean your upholstery fabric. One of the things I found is a lot of people, they don't really know how to do this, so they wonder why they can't get it clean. So look at how dirty this is right here. And a lot of times, especially with this textured stuff, you have trouble getting it clean. So I guess I'll just wipe it down with a cloth, and you really need to do something a little bit more than that. I'm just going to use some of this oxygen orange. I'm going to do a demo on it. I mean, there's a lot of different products you can use. You can try, different automotive ones if you want. But if you just put some of this on there, kind of let it set for a second, the best thing to do is, this is a soft bristle brush. It's kind of worn out. I usually have a better one. I don't know where it is right now, but I'll probably find it before I get done doing this. But kind of let it sit there, and then agitate it with the brush. It doesn't hurt the fabric or anything. It's just, you're just getting it agitated and getting the dirt. It gets down to the cracks and everything. So if you have like some old seats or something like that, a lot of times this will work really well to get them clean. I've used this oxygen orange before. This is from the dollar store. Okay, guys, this is like high dollar stuff. Okay, and I just agitate it with this. And usually what I'll have, and I don't have one right now, but I'll have a bucket of water, and with maybe a little bit of dish soap in it, and to rinse out my rag, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth. And then what I'll do is just wipe it off, and you can really see the difference. I mean, if you can see that, it pretty much takes off everything. If you don't use the brush, it's not going to come out the same. So look how soiled that is over here, and over here. Let's dry it out real good. You can really just see the line of dirt. So these seat covers will look like brand new, and I picked them up pretty cheap because they were the wrong colors. What the guy didn't want. He didn't want the wrong color. He had an earlier bus, and he had these are platinum seat covers, and he had them in an earlier bus, and it normally had like basalt gray or something, one of those other colors. And so he was trying to get that original upholstery. So he just took these off, and the guy goes, "What are you going to do with the old stuff?" He's like, "I don't care, throw it away." And the guy sold it to me at the swap meet. So anyway, sometimes you can find good deals on stuff. So I cleaned this side already too. You can see the difference here, and then I didn't do here yet. So you can kind of see that. All right, talk to you guys in the next video. Just a little, using a brush is really what this is about. Using a brush with your cleaner really to agitate the surface. And if you're using anything, always do a sample area first. Never do the whole thing, because you don't want to make sure it doesn't discolor the upholstery fabric. Talk in the next video.